बहुत सारी लड़कियां मुझे एनवी कर रही होंगी क्योंकि मैं इस हैंडसम लड़के के साथ बहुत चिल्ड वीकेंड गुजार रही हूँ, कुछ पल गुजार रही हूँ, ऑब्वियसली कैचिंग अप विद हिम एंड आस्किंग हिम वो कैसा है. एंड लूडो, हाउ इज इट गोइंग फॉर यू इन द लॉकडाउन? आदि,
Yes.
व्हाट हैव यू बीन अप टू? क्या कर रहे हो आप?
लॉकडाउन में काफी कुछ एक्चुअली, अभी कितना क्या 7-8 महीने हो गए, तो लॉट्स हैज हैपेंड इन दिस लॉकडाउन. पहले 3 महीनों के लिए एक्चुअली आई वाज आउट ऑफ द सिटी. आई वाज विद माय फोक्स एंड माय नेव्यू एंड नीस. लकीली इनफ फॉर दैट फर्स्ट क्रेजी 90 days ऑफ हेवी लॉकडाउन में शहर में नहीं था. सो
वाह.
आई वाज प्रीटी लकी टू काइंड ऑफ मैनेज टू अवॉइड दैट टाइम. But the last few months, yeah, I think there's lots of new hobbies. Like 11-12 साल बाद मैं वीडियो गेम्स खेल रहा हूँ. Like I'm playing video games in my old age again. I'm doing all kinds of, start to cook a little bit, that kind of stuff.
इट्स सो वियर्ड कि हम आपके बर्थडे मंथ में बात कर रहे हैं. 16 को आपका जन्मदिन भी है. एंड टिपिकली जब बर्थडे
Yeah.
मंथ में एक्शन होता है और फिल्म रिलीज हो रही है, there's always excitement, you know, it's buzzing, like your ears buzzing. But if I had to ask you कि
Yes.
in terms of filminess, क्या miss कर रहे थे during the lockdown? Because you seem to have indulged in self time and touchwood, आप उस किस्म के बंदे हो, और जितना ठहराव आप में है
Yes.
वो आपके characters में भी आता है. But if you were jumpy about something in terms of work wise, वो क्या था?
I was actually not jumpy. Luckily, last year मेरे एक बहुत ही busy year था. More busy than normal. I shot 3 films last year. So it was a pretty hectic year. Now, I think luckily, lockdown में I have 2 films releasing, which has kept me slightly busy क्योंकि promotions भी थे and there's been stuff to do. I had to dub. So I haven't completely missed out. Of course, I would die to get back on a film set. But as far as filminess is concerned, I think मैं complain नहीं कर सकता हूँ क्योंकि I'm having 2 releases in the lockdown. So I'm in a good space in that sense.
Ludo खेला कि नहीं खेला? Sorry, I'm sure everyone's going to ask you this question, but you have to.
वो life में नहीं खेला. I think
What?
मतलब not life में नहीं, but I haven't played for many years. I've kind of not played in a long time.
But that's
So lockdown.
strange. You have those board games. It's a thing in people's homes, ना? Snake and ladder, Ludo एक साइड पे होगा, you know.
है मेरे घर में भी था. Monopoly था, हमेशा था, but I never really got into it. I don't know. I was more a Monopoly kind of guy.
You know, Adi, I think that the coolest thing about you is your cool factor. मैं जब भी आपको मिलती हूँ, there's no airs. You don't seem like you're bogged down. You don't seem like, oh my God, मेरी next picture कौन सी है? I want to ask you, what do you credit that to? क्या आपकी family में वो upbringing है कि जो होगा अच्छा होगा, या you know that mantra? क्योंकि frankly हम उस phase एक गुजर रहे हैं जहाँ बहुत लोग insecure feel करते हैं health को लेके, family members को लेके, general future को लेके. If I had to ask you, how do you keep this zen you? वो क्या है?
I think when you said it, it kind of made sense. In one ways, yeah, my mom has always said that throughout. कि जो होगा अच्छा ही होगा, and whatever happens for the best. And you know, there's only so much you can fight against certain situations. There's a way in which attitude that you can choose in which how to deal with things that come up in your life, even in things that are hard. And I've seen that with my parents and the way they've dealt with, you know, situations in their life. And maybe that now that you said it, वो upbringing की वजह से भी होगा. But apart from that, I don't know. I guess it's upbringing. Apart from that, I love acting. I love my job. I love all of it. But I have taken breaks in the past. I am interested in other things. Maybe that helps. क्योंकि कभी-कभी ये industry या ये profession all consuming हो सकता है. It can make you feel like this is everything and this is the world, you know. But there's a lot more to life and there's a lot of other things you can get joy from.
What are these other things, if I may ask? वो क्या है? बता, आपने बोला आप दूसरी चीजों में indulge करते हो, क्या वो family?
That's the $1 million question.
We will not know until we will know. Okay, so here's, obviously we're very excited about Ludo. I am loving everything about the movie. I'm coming to the movie right after this one question. लेकिन facing brick bats. Like Kalank, you were so good, you know, like full head on shoulders, like the whole aristocratic feel, सब था. हिंदी में वो बताइएगा जरूर कि आपने फेस कैसे करा जब आपको पता था कि फिल्म उस लेवल तक लोगों के दिलों को छू नहीं पाई.
I think जब भी एक फिल्म परफॉर्म नहीं करता है बॉक्स ऑफिस पे, you always feel bad क्योंकि सबका इतना मेहनत जाता है एक फिल्म बनाने में. You spend so much time, 1-1.5 साल कभी-कभी लग जाता है एक फिल्म बनाने में. तो it's never nice when a film doesn't perform. But I think if you want to do this job long term में अगर ये करना है and you want to be able to keep doing it, तो एक तरीके का equilibrium भी रखना जरूरी है. You have to be able to kind of be on the level when it's up or it's down. Because they're going to be, it's इतनी unpredictable business है और ये होता ही रहेगा. You're going to have to get to be able to deal with both better. So I think it's important also to keep working. Of course, with the case of that film, मैं next day मैं set पे था. I was acting, and that was quite a blessing because my attention was taken away somewhere else. तो अलग-अलग तरीके होते हैं अलग-अलग फिल्मों के लिए, but work is the best.
Worship.
Get back to work.
Dude, it's a dream for anyone to work with Anurag Basu. What an absolute maverick and so unique. मतलब उनकी सबसे खास बात है कि दिल तो बच्चा है जी, एक टाइटल उनका होना चाहिए अनुराग बासु. You know, उनकी फिल्म मेकिंग में तो of course बहुत ज्यादा टचवुड, इतनी ज्यादा evolutionary skills दिखाते हैं in terms of his edit and screenplay, but there's so much of that zing in him, you know. How did it feel कि आप उनकी फिल्म करने वाले हो? You have to take me through this. वो moment जब आप अनुराग बासु की फिल्म कर रहे हो, what did Aditya feel? आपने audition करा, क्या हुआ?
No, I don't think there was no audition involved. दादा मुझसे मिले एक रेस्टोरेंट में. He gave me an outline of the film. But honestly, for me, the main reason was to work with Dada. That was the whole and sole reason. He gave me an outline of my character कि ये है ग्राफ, ये दोनों characters इस situation में हैं, इस situation से गुजर रहे हैं. This is the start, this is the middle, this is the end. मोटा-मोटा ये है और सब कहानियाँ के बारे में थोड़ा बहुत बताया. And I was like, चलो दादा, it sounds good, करते हैं. And that's pretty much the basis on which I said yes to the film. Or quite honestly, it's been one of the most fun shooting experiences for me I've ever had.
काफी सारी मतलब फ्रीडम मिलती है क्योंकि जहां तक मुझे मैंने सुना है from all the actors कि दादा कभी प्रेशर नहीं देते. तो आदि का प्रोसेस क्या था to get into his character, क्योंकि काफी quirky है, आपका सबसे ज्यादा quirky character आपका है. आप जैसे आप अपने आप को प्रेजेंट कर रहे हो, you know, situations, और उसमें थोड़ा सा आपका एक झलक भी है, वो उस पे आते हैं.
हाँ, I think with Dada, pressure है ही नहीं set पे. He's such a master on his set कि he keeps the mood really light. आपको लगता ही नहीं है कि ज़्यादा काम हो रहा है. 10-12 घंटे काम करने के बाद भी you feel like you can keep going. And that is very rare. Let me tell you, on a film set, for people to not be celebrating when pack up is called is a real feat. And you have to credit Dada with that. क्योंकि उनका attitude ही है कि यार आदि होता है तो होता है, नहीं होता है कल करेंगे. And you know, the second you have a director who says something like that, pressure ही निकल जाता है. Because you feel like, yeah, we are here to play around. We are here to have fun. And that's when I think people relax and they do their best work.
What was the challenge then? Was it कि आपको आपके खुद के character को थोड़ा define करना पड़ा था या?
Yeah, so there wasn't a script. तो पहले 1-2 दिन पे I was losing my mind. I was like, normally, you know, you get your lines and you have time to memorize. But ये situation में था ही नहीं. Then you realized कि actually it's amazing because Dada has your back. Dada knows what he wants. तो दिन पे मैं मेकअप मैन में आप बैठे हो, मेकअप हो रहा है, writer will come in, say गरम scene आया है. You just quickly go over the lines, and because of that, you end up doing a lot of spontaneous things, a lot of things that you would never have planned. अगर आप घर पे बैठ के इतना कुछ planning और मैं ये line ऐसे बोलूँगा, मैं ये ऐसे करूँगा, ये moment को मैं ऐसे घुमाऊँगा, So I don't think because of this process, you end up being a lot more free and instinctive. So that was a challenge, but then it became a beautiful experience actually because of that later.
आपका एक लाइन ऑब्वियसली इट इज लाइक है मंगोलियन आर्ट इन मुगल आर्किटेक्चर, ये क्या लाइन है? और एंड साने लुक्स ऑल लाइक स्मिटन, हाँ क्या बंदा है, क्या था ये बाय द वे, व्हाट वाज दैट लाइन एंड व्हाट वाज दैट, वो क्या है?
वो बंदा ही ऐसा है, वो उनकी अलग अलग इंटरेस्ट है. एक टाइम पे उसने डॉक्टरेट भी कर ली मंगोलियन आर्ट्स में, मुगल आर्किटेक्चर में. फिर अभी जिस फेज में वो गुजर रहा है, वो एक वेंट्रिलोक्विस्ट बन रहा है, स्टैंड अप कॉमिक है, दिन में वो कहीं और काम करता है. तो ही इज अ जैक ऑफ ऑल, एज यू मे से,
एंड आई
लव रेनेसांस मैन.
बट आई लव द मनी फंडा यू गेव कि पैसों के बिना डिफिकल्ट है, लेकिन बहुत पैसों से तो इम्पॉसिबल है खुश रहना. ये लाइन पता नहीं क्यों मुझे लगा आपसे रेजोनेट करती है. टेल मी योर बिलीफ ऑफ.
आपने फिल्म देखी?
प्रोमो में सब ले लिया मैंने.
ओह शिट. हमेशा बचपन से बोला जाता है कि मोर इज गुड, मोर इज बेटर, यू शुड ऑलवेज वांट मोर. तो एक कल्चर बन गया है where people feel like if they don't have really big dreams, they are not going to fulfill their, you know, destiny. But actually हम कम में भी खुश रह सकते हैं. It's just about you know, understanding yourself and what makes you happy. So that is why this character मेरे लिए इतना, you know, interesting था, because I felt like this guy has got his stuff sorted out. Yeah, his fundas are sorted.
Just my last two questions. कोई एक सीन जो आपको हमेशा आपकी मेमोरी में रहेगा from this movie, which was बहुत अतरंगी and आपको करने में बहुत मजा आया and you made some great memories, वो एक सीन बताइए.
तो actually ये फिल्म की प्रेप के लिए the main thing I did was learn ventriloquism. Now as much as I could. तो बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग और डिफिकल्ट स्किल था. तो हमने सारे सीन्स 1 या 2 दिन में ही शूट की, जो वेंट्रिलोक्विज्म के सीन्स हैं. पर काफी चैलेंजिंग था, पर रिवॉर्डिंग भी था, बिकॉज देयर इज अ लॉट ऑफ coordination that's required. So I don't think I'll ever forget those couple of days to kind of do those scenes.
Very cool. And before you leave us, your favorite song in the movie to watch out for, because दादा की फिल्में और गाने अलग ही एक एडवेंचर ट्रिप होता है वो.
आबाद बर्बाद. I love that song. It's the first one that came out.
Super. This has been great fun. I just wish we had a better internet connection. But there's lots to ask you, except that happy birthday. आदि का wish इस साल क्या है, सबके साथ शेयर कीजिए before you leave us.
Thank you. इस साल मेरा wish यही है कि everyone watches the film and enjoys it and loves it. It's so close to my birthday that I can't think of any other thing actually. So people enjoy the film and have a good time watching it.
Thank you, Adi. See you soon and lots of love to you. Be this awesome always. Bye.
Lots of love. Thank you.
Radio City.